Hello friends, in this video tutorial we discuss the concept of constructor overloading. Constructor overloading is a concept of having more than one constructor with different parameter list in such a way that each constructor performs a different task. In this video tutorial I will show you the practical demonstration of the constructor overloading. Let's see with practical. First of all, I have to click on the file, new, and then take a Java project. A dialog box will display here, and simply I need to write my project name, and I am going to giving my project name as a constructor overloading, and then click on the next. Finish. My project displayed under Project Package Explorer. I have to explore my constructor overloading project and then right click on the SRC. A pop-up menu will display here and then click on the new and take a class. We need here to write my class name, and I am giving my class name as employee, and then check the public static void main method stub and then click on the finish. My class is created here successfully with the main method, and then within the class I am going to declare the three variables: int empid, string emp name, and string emp city. Okay, and here I am creating constructor with two arguments, imply int id and string name. Within the body of this constructor I have to pass the value of id into the emp id and the value of name into the name emp name variable. Look here, I am passing the value of id into the emp id variable and the value of name into the emp name, and then creating another constructor with three arguments. Within the body of constructor I am passing the value of id into the emp id and the value of name into the emp name and the value of city into the emp city. Look here, more than one constructor. This is the first constructor and this is the second constructor. The first constructor have two parameters and the second constructor have three parameters. So according to my definition, more than one constructor with the different parameter list is called the constructor overloading. So you will well understand that here I am doing the constructor overloading, and then here I am going to create a method, show method, that will print the value of emp id, emp name and city onto the screen with the help of this statement. Simply emp id and then provide the space, emp name, then provide the space and then emp city. Okay, this is the show method that will print the value of emp id, emp name and emp city onto the screen. We have to come inside the main method and press enter. Here I am going to create the object of imply class as obj1 equal new imply, calling here the first constructor, passing two arguments 1 comma round. If you are passing here the two argument, then the first constructor is called here and initialize the value of object 1, emp id as a 1 and emp name as a round according to this definition. 1 assigned to the id and name assigned to the name here I am giving ram assigned to the name, and the value of id 1 is assigned to the emp id and the value of name ram assigned to the emp name. And when we call here with the help of object 1 show method obj1 dot show, then it will print the id as a 1, name as a ram and city as a null, because here I am not passing the value of city, so it's automatically initialized the 0. And here I am creating another object of the imply class, passing here the three argument 2 comma Ramesh and city as a Delhi, terminated with semicolon, and then with the help of obj we are calling here the show method. And look here, the 2 assigned to the id variable, Ramesh assigned to the name variable, and Delhi assigned into the city. The id value assigned into the emp id, the Ramesh assigned to the emp name, and Delhi, the value of city assigned to the emp city. When calling the show method, then it will print the emp id as a 2, name as a Ramesh and city as a Delhi. Then save it and run it. Run as Java application. Console here. Console display the value 1 ram and null. This is the functionality of first constructor, and 2 Ramesh and Delhi. This is the functionality of second constructor. So you well understand that the constructor overloading is a concept of having more than one constructor with different parameter list in such a way that each constructor perform a different task. I will show here in my program. Thank you friend. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.